Hello everyone, it's me Dipendra Bharataki, student ID 3036073, student of MIT under Federation University. We had a project on the topic student information chatbot system, where today I'm going to explain my individual reflection. The project was started at 27 July 2020 and it was ended at 16 October. So we have a project team member Prakash Kimire, me, Susma Guru, Simran Mahajan. We had a client Dr. Hafizul Islam. We work under the supervision of Dr. Mansur Raza. So our tasks was divided into three sprints, the first, second, and third, which was delivered one after the other. Under the topic, we had to do several analysis and to find what is the main root cause, and to do the analysis and to find the cause we did some of the analysis. The one of them is a fishbone diagram where the main cause was designing chatbot and integrating it with the canvas. So this is a SWOT analysis, finding the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat for our system. This is the as model, um, where we have a student teacher and admin section. So they work one after the other. And this is a to be model that was designed after the improvement of as model. And this is a place where we have a chatbot where the interaction is between the chatbot and the student to find the queries in the right time. So this is actually the poster design for our software, let's say solution bot, so which has the basic introduction, interaction, and the conversation. So talking about my individual accomplishment regarding this one, so I worked for literature review, data collection, ARD diagram analysis, prototype. So there are altogether 15 literature review that we have done in a group. So far, I have done 4. The main resources now for the literature review was Google Scholar, Federation University Library, and Microsoft Word, and it was done by using software. Uh, so this is ARD UML diagram where we have a voice and user messaging channel, chat API, and natural language processor, which are interrelated to each other. And this is for like the future scope where the message can be input through using a message or achieved from a voice. And apart from that, these are the user. They have the ability to do the thing, and this is the messaging channel which pass the message or which display the message in between the chatbot and the user. So this API, it forward the message for processing from the complete message, forward the response, and NLP define in intent, classify intent, and extract entities, and finally pass extract entities and intent. So this is a 2B model, that's the simplified model. So we have drawn this model so that every basic user or the one who is unfamiliar with the technical term can understand what our software is all about. So first of all, using this dashboard, so any student can input a query, and the response will be updated by the bot. In case for the unsolved queries, that will be redirected to the operator or the teacher, and after he or she updated the response, that will be finally updated to the student. uh, Talking about the analysis, we did our analysis using a Google survey, and this is some of the screenshots that are taken from the Google survey response. So this is a dashboard that has been developed by using Microsoft Power BI. This is one of very powerful tool to do analysis here, the detailing of the analysis, and we have done this one by merging more than 2 or 3 field. So talking about the product prototype, these are the design that we have, and the design was converted into the prototype so that we can understand the sequence of the work or the tasks that we have that goes from one process to the other process. Uh, this is a simplified model that has been drawn by using Microsoft Word. And this is the AML diagram. We use the tool draw.io to do the diagram. This is very handy and easy tool. So even this is free of cost. So to do analysis, first of all, the data was collected into the Google form, and from that we downloaded that one into the form of Excel, and the data filtration and data cleansing was done over here. And the analysis was done by using Microsoft Power BI. So where the CSV file from the Google survey was downloaded, and that was cleans the data filtration, and unwanted field and values are removed, and after that the value of the file was uploaded into a Power BI, and we do the analysis as per the requirement. So talking about the product prototype, so it was done using a Wave, and the site was in Vision. So it was a very good experience using this one. I like to show how the InVision or the this one. So this is our dashboard, wave view of the canvas, and we here on the right side we can see the chatbot. So when you click this one, you will get a registration page after you provide your important credential. So after the successful registration, and when it is verified, so you just need to do the sign in, and after when the sign in is done, so your will be displayed with the so this is a page, like this is a page after the sign in. You will get a message, and after the message is delivered, we can have a conversation between the bot side and the student, so to fulfill your basic queries. And when you get the result, so simply you need to provide the feedback, and you just need to log out from the system. And this is an Excel file that we have from the Google survey, and after the elimination of the null values and unwanted values, so this is uploaded to the Power BI. So Power BI, even we can use waveform, and so these are the file that we have. And when we even this can be accessed using a Power Microsoft team, where we have that can be shared among your friends. So every member of my friend can see the data and analysis task. So talking about my findings, so people prefer automated reply over manual reply. So we have a huge wise use of chatbot. Majority does not have automated system in the university. So these are the recommendation that we have. So talking about the lesson learned and contribution. So I was working as a project manager. So we had a nice experience, and we came to know how the environment is when we work with the industrial people. So we keep the record of our minor meeting, information data and exchange of information in between the client, in between the supervisor, even with the tutor, and with our team member. So we had experience using .io. So apart from that, I learned how to do the data cleansing in even Microsoft Excel. So the data analysis was done using a Google survey. Analysis was done in depth by using a Power BI, and finally the prototype building in Vision was a new experience for me. Ideas to improve the course can be like more relevant research topic can be. So as far as this is like something that's more than development kind of thing more than a research kind of thing. So and apart from that, we can tie up with the various client, and not only with the single client, with the various client, and to get the more topic and more industrial project. Tool for analysis, I think, has to be provided to the student, so that um, we don't have to face a problem. So apart from that, face-to-face interaction with the client will be the most good thing. So this is a sign up project sign up from our client of Dr. Hafizul Islam and our supervisor Dr. Mansur Raza. This is the document and the remarks that they have provided to us regarding the work and the project that we have from Dr. Mansur Raza as our supervisor and Dr. Hafizul Islam as our client. So these are the references. Lastly, I would like to thank to my team member for helping and for helping me as well as the whole team to accomplish this one. And I would like to thank Dr. Belal Chaudhary, our lecturer, our client Dr. Hafizul Islam, our supervisor Dr. Mansur Raza, and our tutor Tina Aurora for helping in every sector and every phase of our project. Thank you very much.